To address women at the FICCI Flow function with regards to women's empowerment politically and through corporate India. I am extremely happy that the FICCI Women's Wing Flow in Hyderabad has done such lovely work, specifically by supporting education of 600 children in the city of Hyderabad. I congratulate them for their effort, and I'm extremely glad that we had a very fruitful meeting today. I think as a human being, both of these aspects of my personality are very dear to me. My acting career has given me a lot of respect and love of people across the country, and my political work has also brought me closer to issues of national importance, issues that people care for, issues that they want politicians like me to strive for. So for me, both the aspects of my journey have been equally valuable and important. We are extremely committed to the cause of empowerment of women. In every BJP ruled state, you will see specific women-related policies which have made it us very popular amongst women. In Madhya Pradesh, we've had the Ladli Lakshmi Yojana, wherein we give 1 lakh rupees to a girl who turns 18 so that we can facilitate her life. In Chhattisgarh, a model PDS system was structured by Raman Singh ji, wherein the woman was made the leader of the house. The first name in the ration card was that of the woman. Many PDS shops were given to women to run, which was appreciated by the Supreme Court and various organizations across the world. Gujarat specifically has done many initiatives for empowering women. Through education, we've done Kanya Kelavani, where we specifically strengthen girl-child education, ensure that in every school we have enough facilities to encourage more and more girls to educate themselves. We have Mahila Panchayats, which are unanimously elected by villages, where we facilitate more grants when the village empowers women politically. And we have something called Mission Mangalam, wherein over 30 lakh women through 2.5 lakh self-help groups have been facilitated to do business worth 1700 crores. So on various aspects, BJP has committed itself in various state governments to the cause of women, and I'm sure when we come to power at the center, we shall do the same.